Hello friends, Vishwas Joshi here. Four spectacular stamps. All the four aeroplanes are designed, developed and manufactured in India by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The occasion of publication of these stamps is centenary of the year of man's first powered flight. Occasion is birth centenary of Shantanurao Kirloskar, the visionary industrialist. Kusumagraj, a well-known figure in Marathi literature. He is the recipient of Jnanapeeth Award. Sant Eknath. His poetic writings in Bhakti Marga are very famous. Sant Jnaneshwar wrote an explanatory critique on Bhagavad Gita called as Jnaneshwari. After a lapse of 250 years, Sant Eknath brought out carefully researched edition of Jnaneshwari. This is considered to be important deed of Sant Eknath. Frank Anthony. Hailing from Jabalpur, he was one of the founding members of Constituent Assembly, a parliamentarian of long experience, an accomplished jurist, an educationist, and a philanthropist. He also worked for welfare of Anglo-Indian community. Medicinal plants of India. Clockwise from top left, Guggul, Brahmi, Ashwagandha and Avla. A jewel of Indian philately. Golden voices of yesteryears. Clockwise from top left, Kishore Kumar, Mukesh, Hemant Kumar and Muhammad Rafi. Golden Jubilee of Ascent of Mount Everest. Sant Muktabai. We quote from the brochure published by Indian Post. Muktabai, the poetess who freed religion from the elitist monopoly of priests and took it to the masses. Her message was of universal love and compassion. Government Museum, Chennai. The three depictions are Natesh, a 12th century bronze from Tanjavur district. The second, it carries a picture of century-old Chennai Museum Theatre, a heritage building. The third is a sculptured medallion from Amravati. It belongs to circa 150 AD. Itihasacharya V. K. Rajwade, a personality totally dedicated to the study of history. He is the founder of Bharat Itihas Sanshodhak Mandal. Birth centenary of Bade Ghulam Ali Khan, the exponent singer of Patiala Gharana. He is shown with Suramandal, which was integral to his music. 4 stamps on temple architecture. Badrinath, Mallikarjun at Sri Shailam, Tripureshwari Mandir at Tripura, Jagannath Puri. Waterfalls of India. Clockwise from top left, Athirapalli Falls in Kerala, Kempty Falls in Uttaranchal, Kakolat Falls in Bihar, Jog Falls in Karnataka. Jnanapeeth Award winners Malayalam, G. Shankar Kuru, S. K. Potekkad, Takashi Shivashankar Pillai, Kotta Shivaram Karantha. The multifaceted personality, recipient of Jnanapeeth Award. 30th anniversary of diplomatic relations between India and the Republic of Korea. 50 years of Sangeet Natak Academy. It is interesting to observe how a given theme recurs in philately. Look at this. The theme is man's first powered flight, which took place in 1903. Stamp on the upper side shows Wright brothers. It was to commemorate silver jubilee of the event. The four stamps below denote centenary of that event. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. If you subscribe to our channel Anand Lahari, it will encourage us.